Hey everyone, Tech Vibe here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a second Instagram account. So, let's get started. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and open up your Instagram account and then tap on your profile. Now, once in your profile, you're going to tap on these three lines up top here. To get to Settings and Activity, if you're on, we're going to click on Account Center. And from Account Center here, we're going to click on Personal Detail under Account Settings. The Personal Detail, and right up here is Account Ownership and Controls. We're going to tap on that. And from there, we're going to click on Deactivation or Deletion. And right here is where you're going to want to select your second account or the account that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this account, so I'll tap on that. Click on the option that says Delete Account, not the Deactivate. And then I'm going to hit Continue, and then you can give a reason why you're deleting, or you can just say something else, doesn't matter, and you can hit Continue. And then it gives you a chance to download your information. If you like to keep a copy, you can do that, or if you can also deactivate it saying, but if you want to delete, just hit Continue again. And then right here, we can go ahead and delete it up before. So you can confirm the deletion. It'll tell you when it will get deleted, usually 30 days from the date you click it. So in case you decide to log back in, you'll still be able to stop the deletion. So we're going to hit Continue, and then it will go ahead and basically send you a confirmation code to delete, and then you'll be able to delete or the password for it, and that account will be deleted. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for Instagram. We'll see you guys next.